you, yo. You trying to steal
Tie it up.
in the
Tie
truck.
my wallet up. Tie my wallet up right now.
This yours? You got
Tie my
my
wallet
wallet.
up.
You shouldn't have broken nobody's stuff, yo.
I got the punch in the face. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
It's on, man. Tie it on, though, yo.
Yeah.
Have you guys called the police?
Yeah, we already called the
They're
police.
on the way.
Yeah.
Can you guys go check on this girl? I'll be right here.
It's on, yo. Get it on over there. I keep on this motherfucker.
Man, it's cool.
Ain't crew.
Yes, sir.
We got the whole 2 years. You ain't breaking my shit, yo.
I wasn't breaking into it. You
was.
got
You
my
was in my
J's.
presence, yo.
You got my J's in
You
my
was in my
wallet.
presence.
I wasn't in there. I was just checking it out. Tape it out right there.
I ain't gonna hang it. You take out the shit, man. How you breaking this up, man? Come on, baby.
Don't you see, man?
No, we see you breaking my fucking truck, yo. That's crazy,
Play
man.
like that. The world is serious about this.
Yeah,
Level
well,
one
it is.
high. I've been looking at level 3. Look at this man
Well, I
on
gotta do
level
what I
3.
gotta do to hold you to the police get here. You had no business in my fucking truck, yo.
I'm not scared.
Well, you let me beat you down.
Beat me down.
I'm
You
not
already
gonna beat
beat
you
me
down.
down.
We're not gonna beat you down. Everybody out here see what you were doing.
I wasn't breaking into nothing. I am hot. I just got.
You was in our truck, yo. It's breaking now. You're breaking. You can't hold it, man. You can't eat no fuck, yo.